Let's solve today's question. This is day 7 of 100 days LeetCode challenge, and today's question is trapping rainwater. You're given n non-negative integer representing an elevation map where the width of each bar is given as 1, and we just need to compute and find how much water it can trap after raining. In this example, we can see there are some blocks placed on the x-axis and the y-axis is denoting the length of those boxes. In the input session, we are given height as 0, 1, 0, 2, so on, which means there is 0 boxes placed at the 0th index and 1 block placed at the first index and 2 boxes placed at the third index, so on. And the output is given as 6, which represents the empty spaces between these boxes where the water is getting trapped. Let us solve this with the code. First, we'll take this example and try to find the answer. Like 0 is at the starting index and the 1 is at the ending index. Let us consider this as a list which has n elements in it. So 0 is at 0th index and 1 is at n minus 1th index. For that, we'll be taking the starting index as 0 and the ending index equals to the len of, we'll take already defined character which is height minus 1. Then we need to store this answer somewhere. So we'll be taking a variable called answer. We'll initialize it with 0. After that, we'll be taking the minimum value and the maximum value it can have. So for that, I'll be initializing the minimum value and the maximum value with 0. Minimum value equals to 0. Also, the maximum value is defined as 0. After this, we'll be taking a while loop and compare both the starting and ending indexes. While start is less than or equals to end, we will be calculating the min value first. Min value equals to the minimum of height of the starting point, comma, minimum of the height of the ending point. This is going to calculate the minimum of both start and the end, and then the maximum value equals to the maximum of both maximum and minimum. And then we need to store this into our answer. For that, we'll be taking answer plus equals to, what are we going to store? We are going to store the minimum value minus of the maximum value. For that, the minimum value minus of the maximum value. Now the answer is got defined. After that, we will taking an if statement considering if the height is less than or equals to the start and the end. For that, we'll be doing if the height of what, of the starting point, we'll compare this with the height of the ending point. If the height of the starting point is less than the height of the ending point, then we'll just be taking starting point plus equals to 1, increasing it with 1, and else we'll be decreasing it with 1. Ending point minus equals to 1. After that, we just need to return the function which is answer. Return answer. Let us run this. Wrong answer. Oh, here we need to subtract the maximum value with the minimum value. For that, we'll be doing maximum value minus of the minimum value. I hope this is going to give us the correct solution. It's accepted. Thank you.